TRUMPF, I'm thinking laser cutting, punching, bending, etc. But if you ever dipped your toes in it, one option here is your entry-level machine, which is new for this show. Talk me a bit about this one, please, Michael.
Yes, so we are showing here the first time to the Russian market our new TruLaser 1000 series. Working range here on the TruLaser 1030 fiber is 3 by 1.5 meters. We do have the machine available with 2, 3 and 4 kilowatt laser power. Here we show the 4 kilowatt version. You can cut up to 20 millimeter mild steel, stainless steel and 15 millimeter aluminium. And the machine is equipped with our own TruDisc 4001 laser resonator.
Okay, and also extremely fast around the envelope.
So the machine does have a positioning speed of 140 meters a minute, which means that for an entry-level machine you have a quite dynamic and fast machine already.
Right, one sort of, I suppose, basic question though, 20 mil sort of your steels, but at 15 mil aluminium, if I'm machining aluminium I could take bigger cuts because it's an easier material, so why not so deep in the aluminium on a laser cutter?
So the aluminium cutting requires quite big laser power in order to get the material melted, and by that it's not the same thickness like in the mild steel, 15 millimeter, and you will have typical for laser cutting in thick aluminium as well a burr at the bottom and a rougher cutting edge.
Okay, so that's simple. Now, as we said, laser cutting, pipe bending, punching, but Nikolai, 3D printing.
Yes, it's also possible. Now we are printing a part from titanium, layer by layer, with a metal powder, and it's fascinating.
So what sort of parts are you making?
Now we are making medical implants from titanium, and in general we are making from tools industry, general industries, and medicine.
But with this 3D printing, really complex parts that you wouldn't be able to machine on a normal mill or a lathe, for example.
More complex, more better.
And things like, your jaw or your cheek and things like that, medical implants.
Yes, 3D printing is made for customization.
So there you go. So you've got entry-level lasers and 3D printing for those special one-off parts. Thank you very much.